Is it there?
Nah, it's gonna be short.
Oh, get there.
Get up there. I'll kick right.
Me, Nate, going to here. I'll zoom in. All right. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Beautiful shot.
Well, that's the one.
Put this in, or that's good.
It's gonna die?
Nate par, me bogue. I'm 2 up.
Oh, Faith.
Yep, you gotta finish that swing. Oh, I'm gonna hate watching that one.
98.
That's gonna be nice and short. Get over it.
Oh, no.
Off the tee box. Oh, went down the left. Nate's just on the side of the tee box there. He's going to this flag. Dead net right there. Beautiful. Go in. Go in. Go in. Oh! That might have been some pretty good camera work too. That was a good shot, buddy.
Not if you don't get it there. Not if you don't get it there. Man. Nice. Good putt.
Oh. Oh, what a great recovery though. Par for Nate, bogey for me. 1 up, 3 to go. Oh, murdered. Stay right of the tree though.
Good ball.
Not away with it.
124 is my number. 130 club.
That was a little bit. That might get there.
Short where I thought it would be. 76. Oh. Well, that puts it back to the okay. Big reason I do these videos. I wanted to get Nate on video, then he can see what's going on and go from there. Make the corrections. That's what I do these for. But we are for a push to 100 subscribers. Right now at this video, I'm at like 91, so hit that subscribe button. All right. Keep going.
Nah, die. Stay.
Par for me, bogey for you.
Yeah.
Bogey for Nate. So 2 up, 9 and 1 to go.
Oh, that's gotta go. That's gotta go or it's in the sand.
Straight down the left. Probably just over 120, but I am going to hit a 140 club. So it makes me swing easy, uphill a little bit, which started to move as I swung. I thought it was going to keep rolling back. Sitting at 91 subscribers. It's a battle to 100. I'm trying to get there. If you're liking what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. What, you know, if you want to do one of these or one of the funny moments, whatever it is, hit that like button. Always helps me to get this out to other people, and I greatly appreciate it. Back to the action. Off and to the left in the sand. All right, right to there. Coming to the pin. If you've been here before, you know how much of a tester this is.
Oh, they're slow.
Yeah.
Nice par.
Ah, yeah. What was that, Bogue?
Yeah. You were 2 up.
Yes.
That's all she wrote.
Okay. That's it. Nate.
We'll be back.
That was fun.
We'll
that
be
was
back.
Yeah. Listen. He's always here. I'm always here. You're kind of like Alex. Alex is always here too. We're definitely going to be doing more of these. Hammered. Uh-huh. Yeah, this is what he's going to be like the next time. All arms. Just get on the green. Right around 70. That pull again. See? This is what I'm talking about. Next video, this is what's going to be happening. Uh-huh. Oh. Yeah, that's not. That wraps it up. Young Nate, he shall be back. He says, redemption is mine. All right. That's it for this video. I appreciate you stopping by. If you know what you're doing on Discord, hit me up on there. I have no idea what it is. I don't know how to work it, but it's a community where we can kind of talk, especially if you want to do a match. You can get a hold of me there on Discord. But besides that, sameguyGolf@gmail.com as well for any questions, things like that. Oh man, what if I do a Q&A session?
Oh, there you go.
Oh boy.
I don't think he'd want to answer some of the questions.
No, probably not. We'll see you in the next video. Thank God for today.